Okay, today I'm going to explain how to use this sensor to obtain plots like this using Python and Arduino. So, first of all, we need to connect the sensor to the Arduino. And the sensor has a connection like this, which has five important pins. So the top one is connected to the positive terminal of a motor driver, which you can maybe find on internet. And then the second pin goes to the ground of the Arduino and also the motor driver. And the third pin goes to the negative terminal of the motor driver. And the fourth pin goes to the one of the um, digital pins of the Arduino. In my case, pin 10. And the last pin, which is the fifth one, is the power to the sensor. I'm actually not sure which one I should use. I tested both 3.3 volts and 5 volts from Arduino, and both of them worked fine. For now, I'm using 5 volts. Yeah, that's the wiring. This motor driver can be found online, or you can create create it yourself using one flyback diode and one transistor, usually an NPN transistor, and a small resistor here. So that's the wiring. Once you finish wiring, we can now go to my GitHub account and then download the code. So you can download the zip file here, and then once you've downloaded, you get this folder, which contains two folders. One contains the Arduino code, and the other one contains the Python script to plot the data. So you can open both of them. So this is the Python script, and then this is the Arduino code. So yeah, you can check the code, but the important ones are the signal pin. So if you are using digital pin 10 for the signal, you can keep it like this, but you can also change to other pins, and also motor pins, which is the PWM pin. I'm using it number 5, but you can also always change it. And for the Python script, make sure to connect the Arduino to your PC, and also check what serial port it is connected to, and you can always change the number here, maybe COM10 or COM7. In my case, COM7. Okay, once you have the code ready, you can select the correct Arduino. In my case, Arduino Uno, which is this one, and then run upload the code. Okay, so now it's done. Now go to the Python script and then run the code. So make sure it's connected to the USB, and now it's working. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. Please, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments, and thank you so much.